Hey there, fruit lovers. Ever dreamt of growing your own exotic fruits right in your backyard? Well, get ready because today we're diving into the fascinating world of dragon fruit. Imagine harvesting these vibrant, delicious fruits straight from your own plant. Sounds amazing, right? In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to successfully grow your own dragon fruit. We'll start by understanding what exactly a dragon fruit plant is, exploring its different varieties, and then move on to choosing the perfect spot and planting it correctly. Don't worry, we'll also cover all the essential care tips, from watering and fertilizing to pruning, and even protecting your plant in winter. And of course, we'll talk about the exciting part, harvesting those beautiful dragon fruits. So are you ready to become a dragon fruit pro? Let's get started. First things first, let's understand our star of the show, the dragon fruit plant itself. Botanically, it belongs to the cactus family, which might be a surprise to some. These plants are actually epiphytic cacti, meaning they naturally grow on other plants in tropical environments. What does a dragon fruit plant look like? Well, imagine long, segmented, fleshy green stems. These are the plant's main body. They can look quite dramatic and architectural, especially as they mature. And the flowers? Absolutely stunning. Large, nocturnal blooms that are often white or pale yellow and have a beautiful fragrance. Now, did you know there are different types of dragon fruit? Yep, you've probably seen the most common one with white flesh and black seeds, but there are also varieties with red or pink flesh and even different skin colors. Exploring these varieties can be a fun way to choose the perfect dragon fruit for your taste and garden. All right, location, location, location. Just like any plant, choosing the right spot is crucial for your dragon fruit to thrive. These plants are sun lovers, so aim for a location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Think sunny patio, balcony, or a bright spot in your garden. When it comes to planting, you have a couple of options, starting from seeds or using cuttings. Starting from seeds can be a fun experiment, but it takes longer for the plant to mature and bear fruit. If you're going this route, you'll need to start your seeds indoors and be patient. A faster and more common method is planting cuttings. These are basically stem pieces from a mature dragon fruit plant. Planting cuttings is much quicker, and they are more likely to produce fruit sooner. When planting either seeds or cuttings, make sure you use well-draining soil. Dragon fruit doesn't like to sit in soggy soil. Now that your dragon fruit is planted, let's talk about how to keep it happy and healthy. Watering is important, but remember, dragon fruit are cacti, so they are drought tolerant. Water deeply when the soil is dry to the touch, but avoid overwatering, especially during cooler months. Fertilizing will give your dragon fruit a boost, especially during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the instructions on the packaging. Don't over-fertilize, as this can actually harm your plant. Pruning might sound intimidating, but it's actually quite simple for dragon fruit. Pruning helps to shape the plant, improve airflow, and encourage fruit production. Focus on removing any dead or crossing stems and thinning out crowded areas. Dragon plants are climbers, so trellising is essential. You'll need to provide a sturdy support structure for your plant to grow on. A trellis, a strong stake, or even a fence can work well. This will help support the heavy stems and fruits as they develop. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, although dragon fruit are generally quite resilient. Common issues can include aphids or fungal problems. Treat any issues promptly with appropriate organic pest control methods or fungicides if needed. If you live in an area with cold winters, winter protection is crucial. Dragon fruit are not frost hardy. If you are growing your plant in a pot, you can move it indoors during the winter. If it's in the ground, you'll need to provide some insulation, like wrapping the base of the plant to protect it from frost. All right, the moment we've been waiting for, harvesting. Knowing when your dragon fruit is ripe is key. A ripe dragon fruit will have vibrant, evenly colored skin and will feel slightly soft to the touch. The little wings or bracts on the fruit will start to dry out as well. When harvesting, use sharp, clean pruners or a knife to cut the fruit from the stem. Be careful not to damage the plant. And there you have it, your own homegrown dragon fruit. To wrap things up, here are a few extra tips for successful dragon fruit growing. Be patient. It can take a year or two for plants to mature and produce fruit, especially from seed. Provide consistent care, especially with watering and sunlight, and don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Growing dragon fruit can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine the satisfaction of enjoying these delicious and beautiful fruits that you've grown yourself. It's easier than you might think, and with a little care and attention, you can enjoy your own tropical harvest right at home. So, are you excited to try growing dragon fruit? Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or share your own dragon fruit growing experiences. Happy growing!